Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. K1 Max combines the nimble Corksy with a 190 grams lightweight printhead for less motion inertia. New ceramic heater, encircling the entire hot end. It heats to 200 C in 40s and melts the filament instantly. Dual gear direct extruder, delivering strong extrusion force. Hot end with a titanium alloy heat break and a hardened steel nozzle. Working well in up to 300 C. A large fan on the print head with air ducts cools the model directly. An 18 watts auxiliary fan in the build chamber enhances the cooling effect. 2. The model hardens before any stringing and warping could happen. It allows support-free bridges and overhangs. The latest self-developed slicer Creality Print 4.3 includes rich presets, and streamlines the slicing process into 3 simple stages. Even better, it bolsters high-speed printing with variable line width, arc path, and so on. K1 Max boasts a 300 by 300 by 300 large build volume, great for rapid prototyping or design verification. It also offers a high build volume to printer size ratio of 25.5%. K1 Max is the most size-efficient FDM 3D printer in its class. Number 2. BIQU B1 Plus 3D Printer. 3D printer with a working area with dimensions 310 by 310 by 340 mm. The device is equipped with an efficient motherboard with a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M4 processor and TMC stepper motor drivers. The BIQU B1 Plus has a filament sensor and a wake-up function after power restoration. The surface of the heating bed provides increased adhesion and at the same time easy removal of 3D models after work. The printer is delivered in the form of a kit for self-assembly. The printing area of the BIQU B1 Plus is as much as 310 by 310 by 340 mm. The device allows you to form large, complex prints without the need to divide them into smaller fragments. Such a large size of the working field will certainly prove useful in most DIY projects. Thanks to the automatic leveling function, the process of setting up the device to work is much shorter and easier. It also allows you to avoid errors that may have a negative impact on the final quality of 3D prints. The printer driver is based on the ARM Cortex-M4 processor. It ensures efficient work and fast processing. This means even better quality 3D prints. The motherboard also allows the easy expansion of the B1 Plus with additional functions. The quiet TMC controller ensures stable operation and faster heat dissipation. The fan system effectively cools both the printer components and the nozzle without causing excessive noise. Additionally, it increases the comfort of work. Number 3. Geeetech 10M FDM 3D Printer. Dual extruder module and 2-inch 1-out hot end dual extruder realize printing multiple colors on same piece. Allow you customize colors. DIY unique colors. A 10M 3D printer come with filament detector and break resuming capacity. If the electrical power is off, prints can be resumed from the last layer. Save your time and reducing the waste. Giant Arm A10M Mix Color 3D printer come with 90% pre-assembly. The modularized design provide you with easier assembly. A10M Keeping Prusa i3 printer gantry with 220 x 220 260 cubic millimeters makes the best of the building platform, guaranteeing excellent printing quality for the big printing project. We provide lifetime technical assistance and professional customer service. Please free to contact us with any question about the 3D printer. Number 4. Twotrees Blue 5 3D Printer. BLU5 is the latest dual driver extruder large 3D printer upgraded from the popular Blue model. It's with higher aesthetic value and cost performance compared with other printers of i3 structure design, automatic adjust and laminate aluminium profile. To avoid the decrease of printing accuracy caused by shaking, owing to the high elasticity, You even can take the model by bending the file. The memory system of the machine starts to function so that after the restoration of power, the machine can continue from the last step, which is conducive to reducing unnecessary waste. As convenient as the skylight of the car, we can check the situation of the motherboard while printing with the front maintenance cover, thus we don't need to turn over the heavy machine. Number 5. ANIT A8 Plus A8 Plus 3D Printer. Printing size is enlarged to 300 x 300 350 mm, and large enough to satisfy your creativity. The magnetic movable LCD control panel and convenient knob-type control design make your operation more efficient and more flexible. Consist of more durable aluminium alloy frame. The Y-axis is designed with double polished rods, and the Z-axis with double threaded rods, which to achieve a breakthrough and upgrade of the structure and movement stability. The tightness of Z-axis and Y-axis belts can be freely adjusted and are more convenient to use. Aluminium substrate heat bed comes with a glass panel, so that the printing is smooth without sharp edge and the model is easy to remove. The main board is added designs of overcurrent protection and short circuit protection, with smaller current configuration, safer and more reliable. Added automatically loading and unloading filament function, which is very easy to add or exchange filament. Using the patented extruder structure, the filament extruding is more smooth without clogging. Direct filament loading improves printing effect of TPU filament. Compatible with various 1.75 mm printing filaments like PLA, HIPS, TPU, wood, etc. Widely used in architecture, medical, home decoration, industry, education, movie and other many fields.